what we're going to talk about today is what you need to know about Google AMP. We live in a world where technology continues to help us make things faster and, above all, easier. According to data collected by SOSTA, 47% of consumers expect a web page to load in 2 seconds or less. And 48% of smartphone users will not return to a site that performs poorly. In an effort to improve mobile page loading speed, the Google AMP project was born. So what is Google AMP? Simply stated, AMP is an open source framework created to assist developers in developing fast-loading web pages that contain static content. The solution uses diet versions of pages cached by Google to speed up load times when pages are accessed on mobile devices. An AMP consists of 3 core pieces. There's HTML, JS or JavaScript, and the content delivery network. Google gives higher rankings to publishers who meet the AMP requirements because it improves the overall mobile experience of the web, improving website speed, mobile experience, and content delivery. Achieving AMP ranking means your articles and blogs will be displayed in a scrollable carousel. This gives publishers the advantage by enticing users with a visual result and garnering more clicks through to your content. Readers can simply swipe left to view the next story. Browser caching is another huge benefit to optimizing for AMP. Google stores images and text by caching them so pages are displayed to users almost instantaneously. If you need to update an image or the content on these cached pages, simply update within your CMS and Google's cache will recognize these changes in a matter of seconds. When you type in your keywords or phrase, Google AMP search will display several options on the first page. Google considers user intent based on keywords and phrases, pairs it with the fastest loading and most relevant content to intelligently display it on the first page. AMP compliant content always gets displayed first. Here are some things to consider. News outlets and brands that consistently publish articles should be optimizing content now. The perk of adopting AMP is not only improving your website load time and user experience, but gaining a boost in rankings. With Google AMP placing an emphasis on the overall user experience, another thing to consider is working with an experienced digital partner to gain a better understanding of your website's performance in comparison to the competition through analysis and research. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.